Good morning, my dear students. Today our lesson, what can we learn from fossils? Learning objectives. To know the characteristics of fossils. Number 2, to know how fossils are used to learn about the past. Okay, look at the picture here. Here we have dinosaurs. We have dinosaur. Okay. What do you think this dinosaur ate? Explain. Who can tell me? Okay, I will help you. You remember in the previous lesson we studied about the two kinds of animals, herbivores, omnivores, carnivores. I told you the carnivores eat meat and they have sharp teeth. Did you see here any sharp teeth? No. So this is a herbivore. It means eat only plants. Eat only plants. So all of you at the top of the page 225 write, it ate plants. Why? Because it does not have the long sharp teeth. Did you see here any sharp teeth? No. Needed to eat meat. Okay, we have an experiment. You have to bring clay, okay, and bring any different objects. You can make 2 models, okay? So I will show you how also to make model by video.
What can a fossil show? Let's make a model to find out. Observe the plate of plaster. Put your hand in the plaster for 1 minute. Remove your hand. Look at your model fossil.
You can see this video from your Pearson account. Okay. Now let's answer the questions. Who can read for us question number 4? How can you infer what your partner fossil model showed? Who can answer it? Okay. I looked at the shape and size. I looked at the shape and size. You have to look at the shape and size of the fossil. Number 5, who can read it? Okay, how do fossils give clues about living things? Who can answer for us this question? Okay. They show the shapes and sizes of living things that made them. Fossils help you picture, or it means imagine, what the living things looked like. Fossils help you picture what the living things look like. Okay. Now here we have dinosaurs. Did you see any dinosaurs now live on the earth? For sure, no. What we call them? Extinct. What we call them? Extinct. What is the meaning of extinct? Many animals and plants that live on earth are no longer living on earth. No longer living on earth. It means we didn't see them on earth, live on earth. So again, extinct. Extinct. Many animals and plants that lived on earth are no longer living on earth. are no longer living on Earth. Okay, what are fossils? What is the meaning of fossil? Fossils are the remains or marks of plants and animals that lived a very long time ago. A very long time ago. They are usually found in rock and stone sedimentary. Where we found it? On rock and stone sedimentary. If you see here, we have different types of fossils. Different kinds of fossils. Okay. Now here, I want to show you different classification of fossils. The first one, sediments cover the remains of an animal. The sediments then turn to rock over time. So what happened for the sediments? It will become rock over time. As the animal's body wears away, it leaves a mold in the rock in the shape of the animal's paws, if you see here. Okay, some fossils are actual parts of living things such as bones, like the bone of the skull, the bones of the leg, okay, leg bones, hand bones, this is rib bones, skull bones, if you see here. So some fossils are what? Actual parts of living things such as bones, Again, this is actual parts of living things such as bones. Also, the animal's whole body become fossil. For example, body of insects in hardness tree sap. Body of insect of hardened tree sap. Now, the other kind, preserved footprint. Now, all of you open your books, page 225, and let's underline. Again, who can remind me what is the meaning of extinct? Extinct, it means many kinds of plants and animals that lived long ago are no longer lived on Earth. So, kinds of plant and animals that lived long ago are no longer living on Earth. What is the meaning of fossil? A fossil is the remain or mark of living things from a long ago. So, a remain or mark of living thing from long ago. Fossils are often found in sedimentary rock. Now, here, the first one, sediments cover remains of an animal. The sediments then turn to rock over time, as I show you. Also, as the animal body wears away, it leaves a mold in the rock in the shape of the animal's parts. Now, other way, some are actual parts of living things such as bones, as I show you. Sometimes an animal's whole body become a fossil. For example, scientists have found the body of insect, as I show you, in hardened tree sap. Also, I told you the other one, preserved footprint. Look at the picture here. What did you see here in the picture? This is a lizard die and is covered by mud. Is covered by what? Mud. Now, The mud becomes rock. The mud becomes rock. The mold of the fossil lizard. The mold of the lizard is a fossil. The mold of the lizard is a fossil. Who can read for us question number 1? Okay. Tell if the fossil in the bottom picture is the actual remains of lizard. Explain how you know. No. Answer is no. The lizard body has worn away. The fossil shows a mold of the lizard. It shows a mold of the lizard, not the actual body of the actual remains of a lizard. It shows a mold of the lizard. It shows a mold of the lizard. Because the lizard body has worn away. The fossil shows a mold of the lizard. Thank you, my dear students. Tomorrow we will complete our lesson.